Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Tranya T40 game mode and normal plus bass boosted mode workout earbuds. They're magnetic into the case like that. So there's this one. This fits around your ear. And then here's this one. It's a nice generous case. Charges via USB-C right there. And you have the charge lights when you drop the units back in to the case. The case shuts nicely, as you can tell. When you drop those back in, the lights turn back on, tell you the charge level right there. And you can see the charging light right there as well. And now, if we take a look at this over here, they have 13mm drivers. That's the sound that you get out of this piece right here. And there's a bunch of earpieces as well. A lot more than the Apple AirPods that they give you, so that's good. And some other details. You can pause this anytime and take a look. It will be in the description below. IPX5 water resistance, good calls, fast Type-C charging as you saw already. The game mode, which means it's low latency. So when you hit something in a game, you'll actually hear it just a slightly bit faster than the regular or bass boosted modes. And they hear ear hook design, so if you're running or jogging, they'll stay on and in your ears better. So this is the Tranya T40 earbuds with game mode, normal, and bass boost, and this is what they look like. And you can get these now on Amazon. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.